I knew as soon as I got this that I had to get my hands on it. I was like, I just got the Urban Decay All Metallic Shade palette, but like, I need this. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Monique Flemings. In today's video, it's going to be a tutorial on how to complete this look. I did use the Too Faced Chocolate Gold, it's backwards. I used the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette that just released. I did release a review and a first impressions on this palette already, so if you haven't already seen that, make sure that you go to the description box because I will link it below, and I also will provide a link somewhere on the screen as well. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so, and if you are already subscribed, make sure that you are notified when I upload. Okay, and the way to do this is to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Hit the little bell over there so that every time I upload, you'll be notified, because sometimes I upload and you guys probably don't see my videos because I'm a small YouTuber, so it probably gets like shoved down, you know, underneath like all the big YouTubers. Just make sure that you can hit the notification bell, and that way you will be notified every time that I upload. As well as go ahead and follow me on the Instagram and the Twitter and the Snapchat. And I will show you guys this look now. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go into is the shade So Bougie right here. Oh, it's cute. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. I love how this color looks so different on different skin tones. Like, I just watched a tutorial. I don't know who it was. She used this shade and it was like brown on her, and this is like purple on me. So I think that's so cute how our different complexions like just have different beauty. But yeah, so as you guys see, I just put this everywhere and I use it as like a setting, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing with this eye and we'll move on. All right, so I'm feeling pretty sassy and classy. I'm gonna literally just go ahead into this pink shade here, and I'm about to just pop her right on the lid. And you guys know how I like to do. I'm gonna use my finger at first just to let her perform and give her a chance to shine on her own. No training wheels. And look at her go. Okay guys, like literally, I'm loving this palette. Like every look, I feel like I'm gonna be like, she looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, so let's go ahead, do the Fist Plus thing. Spray her with some Fist Plus. Zap her right on this eye. Yes, mama. Do your thing there. I feel like you can't tell me nothing once I start putting on my makeup. Like you can see it's like an alter ego where I'm like, okay, now it's not Monique no more. It's Monique. You know, like it's like, I don't know, I just start feeling myself like this. All right, so now that I have that on both my lids, I'm gonna go into Love and Cocoa. Oh my god, who created these names? Like, I just want to talk. Love and Cocoa is the shade right here, and oh, it's nice with my nails. It looks cute with my nails. So and I'm gonna take Cocoa Truffle. It's one of the only matte shades on here, and I'm just gonna do a little transition. Okay, I'm gonna take Famous. That's this gold shade here, and real slick, I'm just gonna pop her in the center of my lid. Oh, I like that. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, so we're just gonna clean her up just a little. What do you guys think? Are you guys feeling this? This is so cute to me. All right, let's take Old Money, and this is this like orange shade here. Let's bring her to the party. Got her in this in the corner. Oh yes, give her a little sparkle. Spark her up. Add a little flame to this look. Now she's ready. Now she's lit. Okay, now I am super satisfied with this. I think I'm just going to go ahead and add some false lashes and some mascara off camera, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look that I came up with, and don't mind this choker, she's doing the most, and yes, this wig is actually called Beyonce. I got it from the beauty supply and they were like, give me a Beyonce from the back, and I was like, what now? So it would be funny to throw in this, you know, choker here and just throw y'all all the way off. So, hello. How you doing? If you guys haven't dished the video yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, as well as comment what you liked about this video. Comment what you didn't like about this video. I'll take comments. It's okay. I can take critique. It's cool. So make sure that you guys talk to me in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.